Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change text font size in Adobe Illustrator file. Open your Illustrator file. Now double click on this text and see this type tool already active. Also you can active type tool, click here. Now dragging your mouse you can select a specific text. Now select Windows option and active control option. And here you will find this font size option. You can choose font size, you can decrease. Also I'll change this text font size. Wonderful. And see this. Also you can select all text, press Ctrl A. Now you can change font size also. Here. Yeah. In this way you can change all of this text font size. Especially, yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.